are gonna talk about technological development and mental health. Though technological advancement has done a lot of good to improve our mental health, for example, the development of apps and invention of wearable devices that can track and monitor factors such as mood, sleep, stress levels, and provide insights and tools for self care are being used by us in our daily lives. Also, the growth of mental health technology has provided a platform for online mental health support and consulting teletherapy services, mental health chatbots, and visual support communities have become increasingly accessible, convenient, and affordable for a common person. Every coin has two sides. Excessive interaction with technology has also caused some bad effects on our mental health, especially the increased use of social media and unwanted access. Social media platforms have become a significant part of our social lives, but they can also lead us to the feeling of loneliness, anxiety, depression. Constantly scrolling through social media feeds can lead us to the unhealthy comparisons with others and create a sense of FOMO, that is, fear of missing out. This can contribute to the feelings of isolation and negative self image. Increased use of social media has contributed to the problems of excessive awareness in people, which can lead to excessive focus on receiving likes and comments for self validation. The number of likes and followers may become a measure of self-worth, and individuals may constantly seek the external validation through their online presence. In the end, I would like to say that technology has become an integral part of our daily lives though, and while it has many benefits, there are also potential negative consequences. So we should maintain the balance and keep check on our daily life.